Technical Service Bulletin, General Service Bulletin, Service System Management, Diagnostic Trouble Code, Overdrive, Vehicle Stability Control, Traction Control System, Noise, Vibration, Harshness, Accessory Protocol Interface Module, Audio Control Module, Two-wheel drive vehicle, 4x2, third gear, four-wheel drive vehicle, 4x4, four-wheel steering system, automatic disconnecting differential, airbag, air-fuel ratio, automatic transmission, transaxle, auto-adjusting suspension, after bottom dead center, accessory, advanced climate control system, alternating current generator, acoustic control induction system, air cleaner, active control engine mount, automatic cold start device, actuator, air control valve van, automatic emergency locking retractor, adaptive front lighting system, active height control suspension, air injection control driver, air injection system, automatic load leveling, automatic locking retractor, alternator, amplitude modulation, amplifier, antenna, American Petroleum Institute, accelerator pedal position, approximately, air processing unit, acceleration sound control, automated sequential gearbox, automatic sound levelizer, assembly, anti-slip regulator, assembly services SDN, BHD, assistant, air supply valve, automatic transmission, after top dead center, active traction control, automatic transaxle, auxiliary, average, around view monitor, adaptive variable suspension system, all-wheel drive vehicle, bi-level, bore-stroke ratio, diagnostic trouble code, bypass air control, barometric pressure, before bottom dead center, body control module, body electrical control module, battery control unit, Blu-ray disc, bottom dead center, brake limited slip differential, blind spot intervention, blind spot warning, brake tail number, bimetallic vacuum switching valve, check valve, controller area network, carburetor, cab air suspension, circuit breaker, continuous fuel injection system, complete knockdown, crankshaft position sensor, closed loop, control module, crankshaft position sensor, compressed natural, center, combination, conditioner, control, coupe, clutch pedal position, combustion pressure sensor, central processing unit, child restraint system, cold start device, closed throttle position, center, control valve, canister vent, continuously variable transmission, curb weight, driving cycle, direct injection, type of brake system, direct current, distance control assist, direct drive, downhill drive support, defogger, direct fuel injection system, deflector, distributor ignition, direct injection type, differential, differential lock, data link connector, distributorless ignition, digital multimeter, data memory unit, double overhead camshaft, double offset joint, dash pot, diesel particulate diffuser, diesel particulate filter, driver, daytime running light, data recording module, dead soak, dynamic stability control, digital signal processor, diagnostic test mode, digital versatile disk, engine, electric brake force distribution, electronic braking system, electrochromic, engine control and measurement system, electronically controlled diesel, eddy current dynamometer, electronic control gasoline injection, diagnostic trouble code, engine coolant level, engine control module, electronically controlled power steering, electronically controlled transmission, engine coolant temperature, electrical control valve, electro-deposited coating, electric diesel injection control, electrically erasable programmable read-only memory, early fuel evaporation, electronic fuel injection, exhaust gas recirculation, exhaust gas recirculation temperature, EGR vacuum modulator, exhaust gas temperature, electronic hydraulic control unit, electro-hydraulic power assist steering, electronic ignition, electric, emergency locking retractor, electric motor power steering, engine, engine auto stop start, engine oil pressure, electric power steering, easy and smooth, electronic spark advance, electronic stability program, electronic throttle control, electronic throttle control system intelligent, electric vehicle, evaporative emission control, evaporator, electric vacuum regulating valve, electric vehicle supply equipment, exhaust, exhaust control, front, fuel gauge, fuel injector, fuel pump, flywheel, fan control, forward collision warning, fuel economy, front engine front wheel drive, fuel injector control, fast idle cam breaker, formed in place gasket, fusible link, front left, frequency modulation, fleet management system, fuel pump relay, fuel pressure up, front, flywheel damper, front wheel drive, gasoline, generator, ground, global positioning system, gear shift actuator, generic scan tool, gear shift unit, global tech stream, gross vehicle weight, hatchback, heater, defroster, heated oxygen sensor, hydro assist brake, high altitude compensator, hydraulic body motion control system, hydrocarbons, heater, hydrofluorocarbon, high current fuse, high intensity discharge, hydraulic power unit, high speed, housing, hardtop, hydraulic unit, hybrid vehicle, heating, ventilating and air conditioning, heated windshield system, instrument panel, idle air control, intake air temperature, intelligent brake assist, integrated circuit, intelligent cruise control, intelligent clearance sonar, indirect diesel injection, independent front suspension, ignition, integrated ignition assembly, illumination, intake manifold tuning valve, intake, injection, intelligent power distribution module engine room, independent rear suspension, idle speed control valve, International Organization for Standardization, input shaft speed, information technology suite, junction block, junction connector, joint box, Japanese industrial standards, kick down, kinetic dynamic suspension system, knock sensor, length, height, width, liftback, Li-ion battery controller, liquid crystal display, local control unit, lane departure prevention, lane departure warning system, light emitting diode, low emission vehicle, left front, left hand drive, local interconnect network, long life coolant, liquefied natural, low, liquefied petroleum gas, left rear, limited slip differential, load sensing proportioning and bypass valve, load sensing proportioning valve, long wheelbase, motor, manual transmission, transaxle, mass airflow, manifold absolute pressure, multi-display unit, multi-port fuel injection, motor generator number 1, malfunction indicator lamp, manual transaxle, transmission, multi-mode manual transmission, moving object detection, multi-purpose, multi-point electronic injection, multiplex communication system, middle speed, mount, manual transaxle, neutral, natural aspiration, normally closed, normally open, nitrogen oxides, overdrive, oversize, oxygen sensor, onboard diagnostic, oxidation catalyst, occupant classification module, oil control valve, original equipment manufacturing, overhead camshaft, overhead valve, open loop, option, onboard refilling vapor recovery, oscillator, output shaft speed, power, proportioning and bypass valve, power steering, power window, power back door, powertrain control module, power control system, positive crankcase ventilation, plug-in hybrid vehicle, powertrain interface module, passenger junction box, projector, parking brake, particulate matter, park, neutral position, progressive power steering, pressure regulator control, adaptive variable suspension system, power steering, power slide door, power steering pressure, positive temperature coefficient, power takeoff, pulse width modulation, partial zero emission vehicle, quick start system, rack and pinion, relay block, reinforcement, random access memory, rear active steer, recirculating ball type steering, rear cross traffic alert, except Europe, rotary electric actuator, relative absorber system, recirculation, rear entertainment system, right front, rigid front suspension, right hand drive, rear left, relay, read-only memory, engine speed, revolutions per minute. Right rear, rigid rear suspension, roll stability control, rear seat entertainment, rear wheel anti-lock brake system, rear wheel drive, Society of Automotive Engineers, sophisticated airbag sensor, supercharger, backup collision intervention, serial clock, swirl control valve, suction control valve, sensing and diagnostic module, sedan, service data and specifications, smart diagnostic tester, sensor, sequential multi-point fuel injection, spiral gear, starting injection control system, signal, shield, super long life coolant, state of charge, single overhead camshaft, solenoid, specification, single point injection, spill control valve, supplemental restraint system, system readiness test, special service materials, special service tools, start, standard, cold start fuel injection, steering, super ultra low emission vehicle, switch, short wheelbase, system, transaxle, transmission, tachometer, throttle body electronic fuel injection, turbocharger, torque converter clutch, transfer case control module, Toyota computer controlled system, transmission control module, traction control system, traction control support system, telematics communication unit, timing control valve, tumble control valve, temperature, Toyota electronic modulated suspension, transaxle fluid temperature, total information system for vehicle development, Toyota Motor Vietnam Company, Limited, tail number side lights, throttle position sensor, tire pressure monitoring system, transmission, transaxle, range, traction control system, turbine shaft speed, three-way catalyst, total wiring system, underdrive, undersize, universal asynchronous receiver transmitter, universal serial bus, uphill start support, volume airflow sensor, vehicle communication interface, vehicle control module, vacuum control valve, vehicle dynamics control system, vehicle dynamics integrated management, vacuum fluorescent display, variable gear ratio steering, turbo variable geometry system turbocharger, variable inertia charging system, vehicle identification number, valve lift control, variable nozzle turbocharger, volume, variable power steering, voltage regulator, variable resonance induction system, vehicle skid control, vehicle stability control, vehicle speed sensor, vacuum switching valve, variable tumble control system, vacuum transmitting valve, variable valve timing intelligent, wire harness, without, with, wagon, wide open throttle, X relative absorber system,